Lead Extractor Pro review. Hello, it's Basi here today with another video on the Lead Extractor Pro software. And this is a software which is rated by the producer of this software. He's rated this software to be like world's #1 AI software that can instantly extract millions of targeted leads. And these are real verified leads which will kind of like come as emails, phone numbers, and these leads will be extracted from social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google Maps, Twitter, and many other social media websites out there. And these leads can be extracted from any niche, any business, from any country, and this can be done within just 60 seconds with just 2 clicks. There are about 3 steps for this to be achieved. So I'm going to show you. I just want to scroll down the page just to show you how easy and simple this is. Okay, now yesterday I also made a review concerning another software which was called the Ultimate Leads Pro, which is similar to this. And today again another review also on this particular software, Leads Extractor Pro. And I'm going to also explain to you what this can do for your business if you are into any kind of business and you are looking for leads. This is a one-time offer product. There's no monthly fee. Okay, no monthly fee, and it's very low cost to get this going with just as little as $14 one-time payment. You can lay your hands onto this and then start using the software immediately out of the bat. Okay, there are upsells, but these upsells are optional. So if you choose to pick up the upsells, you can as well do that. Upsells number 1 is a $27 and it's called Unlimited. And then you got upsells number 2, which is also a $27. Is also called Clean Mail List. So possibly if you want to clean the mail, the mail list, then this software upsell number 3 should be able to help you to do that. Then upsell number 4 is called the Pro Mail AI. And then you have upsell number 5, which is the reseller rights. So you have the reseller the right to sell this software again and again to many people as possible as you can. So there is a video that explains and demonstrates what Leads Extra Pro can do for you. Okay, and how you can use the software. So, but I'm just going to show you the 3 simple steps that you use, that you need to use this software. So the 3 simple steps, I'm going to show you that. Just looking for that right now. Okay, now since I can't find that, let's see. So what can this software actually do for you? Okay, this software can extract emails, it can extract phone numbers, it can extract phone numbers from places like TikToks, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, and Twitter. If you were to pay Google ads for generating leads, you know how much that could cost, as from even $1, $1.50, $1.30, $2 just for clicks, not even the leads itself. Okay, and then if you were to also use some other ways to generate leads, like solo ads, the minimum you will get is about 55 cents per click. Those are just clicks. They are not like getting the leads. So the leads has to opt in, and then you don't know if it's gonna convert or not. So those are just only clicks. So but with this, you're able to actually get the actual leads. Though they are cold leads, I would say, to be very honest with you, but you can then be able to send messages to these leads, and then if they happen to interact and they are happy with whatever your business is offering, and then you can then convert these leads to customers and make some sales. Okay, so all you got to do is enter any keywords into the high quality leads for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Map, Twitter, and just a few clicks, and that will generate leads for you. Okay, so with that, and the software will be able to help you to stop buying recycled leads and to stop getting leads that don't convert for you. So I have the link right in the bio of this video that you're watching, the description box that you're watching right now, and you can click on the link and go through this sales page that I'm looking at right now, and then you'll be able to make an informed decision if this software is the right software for you. If it meets your needs, then feel free to click on the link, go through my link and click on it. So the bonus that I have for you is that I'll be willing to show you the kind of business that I'm doing online. Then if it makes sense to you, then you can join me and we can work together. That's my bonus to you. Okay, apart from that, there's gonna be people that will offer you lots of bonuses, but trust me, you don't really need all of those bonuses, because at the end of the day, it's just gonna be too much workload for you to be able to start using all those bonuses and all the rest. So I see people offer a whole lot of bonuses, even bonuses that you don't need. I'm not here to offer you all of those bonuses, but what I can do is show you what I do, and then if that makes sense, you can we can work together and then build our business together. Okay, so the link is in the description. Remember, like I said, most software will charge you $97 monthly. Okay, but with Leads Extra Pro, it's just one time $14, and that is it. And then you can use this software again and again and again. With Lead Extractor Pro, okay, you get high quality fresh leads for just a few clicks, no extra cost, no monthly fee, no stress. Okay, you slack. Okay, if you slack, then the exclusive bonuses and the exclusive offer that is available right now, you may not be able to have them. Okay, so like I said, this is a very easy to use software, and I'm going to show you in a demo video that will explain even much more better what this is all about and how this can benefit you and your business money. So you could also extract these leads and also sell them. This software is set and forget. You pay once, you use it again and again and again. That's one thing I like about this software, that it's just a one-time payment. there's no extra expenditure monthly payment. I do not like monthly payment, all this monthly payment. So because this is a one-time payment, I think to me it makes a whole lot of sense. So I'm going to just scroll down up to the top of this and then play the video. And if it's possible for you to click on the link under this video right now on YouTube, if you're watching on YouTube, because I'll be posting this video just on YouTube, then you can as well go and then access this page and then watch the video. So let's see what this software is all about.
Presenting LeadExtractor Pro, the world's first AI software that instantly extracts millions of targeted, real, and verified email IDs and phone numbers from Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, Twitter, and Reddit. In any niche or business, seconds with just 2 clicks. How does it work? Step 1. Enter a business keyword, real estate agents in New York, or e-commerce owners in the USA. Step 2. Select a platform. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, Twitter, Reddit, and view thousands of leads generated by AI. Step 3. Click and download the file. Imagine having a goldmine of targeted data ready to download with just 1 click, all under your control. The fact is, leads are the lifeblood of any business. No leads equals no sales equals no business. The truth is, everyone struggles to get leads in their business. We understand the pain of losing money on Facebook or Google ads with 0 results, wasting time, money, and effort on SEO, buying overpriced lead lists, only to find out 50% are dead emails and fake numbers. But what if you could flip the script? Instead of you searching for leads, what if leads came directly to you on autopilot? Fun fact, businesses spend thousands of dollars every month to find high-quality leads. With LeadExtractor Pro, not only can you use it for your own business, but you can also help other local businesses or agencies by providing them with leads. Here's what our beta users have achieved. 1. Sarah sells cold marketing leads on Fiverr and makes easy $500 per gig. 2. John closed his first $3,000 deal in 24 hours. 3. Chris used to pay $1,500 a month for lead lists, now gets unlimited leads for free. Our customers are already making $5,000 to $50,000 plus per month, just selling leads. Imagine what you could do. 500 real estate agent leads will easily pay $500 to $2,000 plus 1,000 business owner leads will easily fetch $1,000 to $5,000 plus 50 e-commerce brand. Contacts will go for $500 to $1,000, $500 plus 1,000. Instagram influencer leads, $1,000, $3,000 plus. The point is, real people are cashing in big with LeadExtractor Pro. Smart entrepreneurs are using LeadExtractor Pro to generate leads for their own business to grow sales, sell leads to agencies and freelancers, creating easy recurring income, offer lead generation as a high-ticket service, start a lead subscription business and charge clients monthly. So the only question is, will you be next? With LeadExtractor Pro, the possibilities are endless. The only catch, this deal won't last forever. For a limited time only, you can get lifetime access to LeadExtractor Pro for a one-time low price, no monthly fees. But once this launch ends, the price jumps to $197 a month like any other competitor. We're making this a no-brainer and 100% risk-free. Try LeadExtractor Pro for 30 days. If you're not blown away, you get a full refund. No risk, no hassle, just results. This is your one chance to grab a game-changing tool at the lowest price ever. Click the button below, lock in your lifetime access, and start generating leads today. Stop chasing clients. Let them come to you. Get LeadExtractor Pro now, before it's too late.
So it's time for you to take a look at it. There's no hard sell. It's just clicking the link in the bio or the link in the description, and then you go through the sales page, see what this software can do for you. If you think that it makes sense to be able to generate 500 plus quality leads daily direct from social media and Google, if you think that if you're able to cut lead generation time by 90% and focus on closing the deals and not searching for customers will make sense, then I think you should consider giving it a try. If you think that if this can help you to increase sales and conversion instantly by having more leads and more revenue, I think you should give it a try. If you think that by not doing any more guesswork, no more waste of time, and you would like to utilize the power of the AI, okay, so the AI can do all the hard work and closing the deals for you, it will make more sense. Check it out. And the good thing is that there's money back guarantee if the software does not meet up with what you would expect. Okay, so one-time payment, 0 monthly fee, okay, and money back guarantee for the software. So feel free to check the link in the bio and then see if this is making any sense to you. Lay your hands on them, try it, and also don't forget to comment back on this video if you happen to buy this product and use this product and it's good. Don't forget to comment under this video just to tell people that yes, I bought the software, I've used the software makes sense, it's good, and I'm enjoying what the software is doing for me. With that, I bring this to the end of this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to come watch the video. Thank you.